In this video, we're going to take a look at how to submit an article. So as you can see here, I've already found an article on eZine articles, and I just pasted it here. I've also included the article source, and now we need to explain how this article works here. So it's important for you to know that this supports spin text, so you can get your writer to prepare an article which is spinnable. And so let's just give that a try here. I can hear the wheels in your head turning already. No one has any money. Let's say money. We could replace that with cash. There was a recession, a big one. Let's see. From another planet, we could say from another galaxy. This might not make much sense, but I just want to show you how the spin text works. Why would I be raising? We could say increasing my prices. Okay, so now we also need to enter a URL. So obviously you'd have to find your keyword. Let's say our keyword is time wasters. So we would write ahref equals and then a URL that goes here. Let's go with yahoo.com. Close a tag, and then over here, also close like this. Okay, so that's a URL that's actually syntaxed, and this is going to be turned into a hyperlink. Now we need to select the sites we want to submit to. So as you can see, the software already checked some sites here, the sites that we tried to register on. So we won't be able to successfully submit to these sites because we don't have accounts with them. But if we do, leave them checked. Nothing bad is going to happen because the software is only going to submit to the accounts that we already have usernames and passwords and the accounts are activated here. So we can just leave these even though we don't have accounts for them. And now let's click Start. Let's just wait a couple of minutes here until this is complete. And once this is complete, a pop-up box should appear. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back once this is done. And we're done. So I just had the pop-up and I clicked OK. And as you can see, I paused the video at 11:59 p.m. and now it's 12:02 a.m. So if my math is correct, that's just 3 minutes needed for these sites. So that was pretty quick. And Social Backlink Empire Suite Pro is a really quick way to submit articles, and this is what makes it stand out from the competition. Now, one more thing that we need to take a look at is the Results tab here. So this is actually quite easy, and we're just going to get the links of all the sites that our articles were successfully submitted to, and we can export, delete, or delete all. And if we want to check something out, we just need to click on the link and it will open a web browser here for us, and it's going to take just a second to load. And once it loads, you're going to see the result. So let's wait a couple of more seconds. All right, there we go. And this is our article. So it looks like I have not used the hyperlink tag correctly because it made one big hyperlink. So that was a mistake on my part. Let's check this out. Yeah, right. So I forgot to add this here. So because of that, it made all this part one big hyperlink. So it's good that you saw me make this mistake because you need to be careful with all these things. So basically, without the website, this should look like this. And then when we add the website, we get to delete this empty space here. We go. All right. So this is how to use Social Backlink Empire Suite Pro Edition.